Hello, welcome. This is Sam of Sambookery, and today I'm going to work on my Egyptian themed journal. And I wanted to share with you guys some stuff that IEEBEE sent me to share with you. So let's see what they sent. They have a new product. They reached out and asked if I wanted to review it for you guys, and it is perfect to go along with this Egyptian themed journal that I've been working on for a few months. But first, they also sent me this really cute magnet. I think it's acrylic. Let's see if I can get it open. Yeah, it's got a magnet on the back, and it's an acrylic block that's got washi tape sandwiched between them. And that's so cute. These are like really pretty watercolor trees. So that's like a good idea of something you can do with your washi tape. They also sent this little booklet, and there's like, I don't know, I think it says 100 ways that you can use washi tape, besides just using it to tape something down. And there's a lot of things I hadn't thought of in here. So that's really cute. But what I was really excited about is this box. And this is new patterns that they just have available on their website. Oh, I do want to let you guys know they are so kind to give my viewers a 30% off coupon. The code is Sambookery, but I'll put a link to it in the description and type it there for you guys as well. But that's 30% off anything, not just this, anything on their website if you want to go take a look at all their delicious washi tapes. So here's the box. This is the Desert Oath set. It says it has 16 rolls. Ooh, I love the side here. That's pretty. All right, let's see if we can cut through this foil. Oh, it's not really foil, it's sticker. There we go. I love how they package it too. This is such a cute themed box. Like if you had a bunch of their sets set on a shelf, you could easily tell like which washi tape set it was just by the side. So it's already a nice way to organize all your washi tapes, because they can get a little fiddly to organize when they start rolling around. So let's see what's in here. Oh, I think this is a nice card with like a picture of each washi tape strip that's in the set. That is a handy reference guide as well. I haven't seen that in other kits. Super useful. Plus also, I can use this for collage or something, or in my journal. So let's take off the cellophane because there's probably a glare. So let's see. I'll go ahead and do both of them. We'll get the annoying loud sound out of the way. Okay, so let's look at these. This one's really nice. It's just like a geometric abstract pattern. And this one's got like a lotus blossom on it repeating. Oh, you guys, look, can you see this kitty cat? It's like a black kitty cat on black with some triangles in between. These are so cute. Okay, we're gonna look at each one and then I'll unroll them and use them in a project. These are some Egyptian hieroglyphs. Super fun. This green one, it's kind of a minty green. This animal with big wings and more like hieroglyphics. All right, let's see. We've got black with orange hieroglyphics. This is my favorite though. Look at these beetles, the different bands of color. That's fun. And then here's a nice wide one. It's got a lot of, let's see, let me see if I can unroll this one. Lots of fun Egyptian scenes. All right, and then this one is the only one that's got metallic in this set, and it's kind of a coppery, shiny coppery color. I really like that. We've got more of like the Egyptian pharaohs and whatnot. Here is camels on a dark background. here's another favorite. This one's nice. You've got a pyramid, a pot, some of the gods, eye, kitty cat, a scarab, an ankh. Really cool. There's like King Tut. And here's some more. This is like a brown on an orange background. This one looks more like a vertical style print with just maybe plants, stylized plants and geometrics. Then we've got like a desert oasis scene with palm trees and the pyramids in the background. And we've got another really big one with huge scenes. Oh, look, there's the Sphinx. So those are really cool. Several are definitely 100% Egyptian themed, but I'd say, yeah, maybe half are just, you could use in any type of journal. I don't think they're very specific to Egypt. So what I thought I would do, I'll show you guys. I've been working on this journal slowly forever. It's got an Egyptian theme. So let's see. The sort of like cover I made it out of, it's just 3 envelopes that I've put signatures in. And then the envelopes are hooked together to form like a wraparound cover. Got some pockets. Oh, and that's even, let's see, that's upside down. It goes this way. So we've got a flip here. So I've just been putting some things in here and I haven't managed to finish it yet, but I was thinking the cover is super plain and it needs something. So I thought I would cover it with some of these washi tapes. So let me take this out. Hopefully I can get it back in again. And let's open the cover up. So here's the front cover and I guess, let's see. Yeah, and so this is the back cover. And then, so thought I would use some of these tapes to run along here. And then it'll be an interesting test too, because washi tape is translucent. So it'd be interesting to see how it looks putting it on a black background, which is not something I normally do. Okay, I think I'll start with a dark one on the edge to give it a border. So we'll get it started. I'm just gonna line it right up to the edge of the envelope, if I can. Get some scissors here. Trying to do a straight line. You guys know I can't do straight lines. All right, I'm just gonna cut this off at the edge and press it down. So already this is looking better, I think. Should I put, I think I'll do the camels. Ooh, or the cats. Let's see here. Camels or cats? You know, I think I'll do the camels at the top. They have so many pretty washi tape sets on there. I really like how they coordinate an entire set. It's fun to do a whole journal with just one of their sets and you know everything will go. All right, so we've got camels and then the hieroglyphics. Let's see how it's looking. Oh yeah, okay. But I think I'm going to add some more things. Let's see, what do we have? I have this one here. It might be nice to alternate, but I think before I get into go from a black one to a white one, let's put a colored one in between. So let me do these beetles that I like. That's really pretty to add in all of this color. And then we've got this other green one. So let's do this one too. Let's see what it looks like. So far, they're showing up really nicely on this really dark envelope. Because I don't know if you guys can see, they're pretty translucent washi tape. So I wasn't sure, but they look, this colors still look really nice on a dark background. I think I will do this one vertically here. To make kind of a frame for the front. And I'll do it, I've got the grommet here on the edge, so I'll just go in a little bit with the washi. And let me trim this. All right, let's see how this is looking. There we go. So this actually ends up being the spine, this piece here. So I might just add a second piece right next to it. You know, I might just, let's see if this is repositionable. Yes, okay, let me just put this one right here. Let me trim the edge too. There we go. That looks nice because it'll be on a shelf, you know, and that'll be the spine. I might add a third one because, you know, I'm only going to make this journal fatter as I go. So let me just add a third strip here, and that will be our spine. Let's get this back flat. Okay, and I did want to get this, so let's see how it's looking. There's our spine. It looks really pretty. And this is our front, and we're gonna have this coming around. You know what? We've got a long space right here that is just perfect for one of these. I think I'll put that there, and then we'll see what we can do about filling in here. I might just do a strip here too. So let's do that. So let's do one of these here. Then we'll do right here. And it's fun, there's so much different things on this that even this is the same tape, they're totally different scenes. It doesn't repeat itself. All right, do we want to leave any of the black or do we want to cover everything up? Let's see how it's looking. Wrap that around. I think I'll leave a little bit of black. But I think what would look nice here is this foil tape. It might really finish things off, and I might do the edge too. So let's see what we can do with this shiny foil tape. because I've already got the bling and these charms from the signature strings. So, oh, which makes me think, oh yeah, they come out of the top. That's why I was confused, because when it's on the shelf, I kind of wanted them to dangle off the top. All right, let's add this right here. This is a really nice shiny metallic. All right, so there's that. And do we want to do the edge? I think it might look nice and finish off the edge, since we already have like gold edging on the envelopes that I used. So let's just try this. This is a pretty narrow washi though, so we can't have too much showing, but we'll try this. All right, let's flip it over to the back. All right, let's see how this looks. Oh, that does give a nice finish to the edge. Now I have gold on here, but I think just any metallic looks nice. I don't mind the copper and the gold. Let's put this back in if we can. And see how this looks now closed up. And this is just a strip of Osnaburg fabric. It's a really loose woven natural fabric you can buy, similar to muslin, but a much looser weave. So, and I thought it kind of resembled like mummy cloth, you know, so. All right, and that is our new journal cover, just with a few strips of washi tape. No matter what theme journal you're making, if you've got a plain cover like this that you want to decorate quickly, a few strips of washi tape, it really transforms the whole thing. Now it's got a spine, it's got edging, there's a lot happening on here, it's got some bling, and even the back looks a little bit nicer now. So that was fun. So if you guys are into washi tape like I am, and you know, who doesn't need more washi tape once you get started, head on over to IEEBEE and check out all their washi tape kits. They're all so cute. And no matter what theme journal you're working on, I'm sure you'll find something you like. I noticed they've also got some really great solid color washi tape sets too that I've been eyeing, because then you'll have whatever color you need for whatever project you're working on. But this is such a cute set, and it's so nice to have this guide in here so you don't have to unroll the washi to see what the pattern, the repeat pattern is. It's already right here. And this makes such a cute set. It'd be a good gift for somebody too. So I'll throw the code up on the screen again so you guys can get your discount, and the link will be in the description. It is, did I mention I'm affiliate with them? It is an affiliate link. So if you make a purchase with that link, I may get a small commission from it. But I just wanted to share this with you guys. I'm so excited. It got me interested in doing my Egyptian journal again, which has just been sitting in a pile because I hadn't had any motivation to do it, but now I do. So thank you guys for stopping by for this week's video. I appreciate you taking the time to spend with me, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.